Alright, right now we're going to talk about cis and trans structures. I'm going to do a couple of examples and then we will call it a day. So, first thing I'm going to say is draw the cis and trans structures. Oops, gosh, it would help if I could spell trans. Cis and trans structures for this molecule. 3,4 dichloro 3-pentene. So the trick to drawing cis and trans structures, and we're going to draw the cis here and the trans over here, is to start with the double bond, because it all hinges literally on the double bond. So we have, because it's an ene, we have our carbon-carbon double bond here. So that is the pentene portion. The 3 tells us where the double bond is. It's on the third carbon. So I'm going to make a little note that this is carbon number 3, and this is carbon number 4 then, just because 4 comes after 3. Alright, then what you need to do is recognize that it is a pentene. So if this is carbon 3, this must be carbon 2, this must be carbon 1. If this is carbon number 4, this must be carbon 5 in pentene. I have drawn those on the same side of that double bond, going the same direction, down in this case, because cis means same. Trans means opposite. Alright, so we're not quite done though. We've got the 3-pentene taken care of. Next we have 3,4 dichloro. Chloro, as you can imagine, means chlorine. So, yes, wife! Sorry, my wife was telling me it's time for dinner. I will finish this up and then head up. Alright, so, because it is chlorine, it is dichloro, meaning there are 2 chlorines, and the 2 chlorines are on 3,4. So, 1 chlorine on the third carbon, 1 chlorine on the fourth carbon. Then all you'll have to do is add in the appropriate number of hydrogens. This carbon has only 1 bond, so it gets 3 hydrogens. This carbon has 2, so it gets 2 hydrogens. This carbon has 1 bond, so it gets 3. Alright, that is the cis form. The trans form, same thing. You start with the carbon-carbon double bond. It's a pentene, so it's 3-pentene, so this is our 3, that's our 4. You don't have to write those numbers if you can remember, they just help me. So that's carbon 2, that's carbon 1. This time carbon 5 is going to go up so that they are opposite. Then a chlorine goes here, and a chlorine goes here. You add in the hydrogens. This one needs 3, this one only needs 2, this one needs 3. And that is the cis and trans form. Hopefully that is good enough because it's dinner time and I don't want to keep my sweet wife waiting. Good luck.